Starting an online business has never been more accessible. The internet has lowered barriers to entry, allowing individuals to pursue entrepreneurship without the need for significant upfront capital or even physical premises. Yet, with a myriad of options available, what's the easiest online business to get off the ground? Let's dive in. Dropshipping. The no-stock retail dropshipping is one of the most popular online business models for beginners. The primary reason? You don't have to stock or handle the products you sell. How it works: partner with a supplier. List their products on your online store. When customers order, you purchase the product from the supplier, who then ships directly to the customer. Pros: low startup costs. No need to manage inventory. Wide range of products available. Cons: lower profit margins compared to stocking your products, less control over shipping times and stock levels. Affiliate marketing. Earn by recommending. If you're an influencer or have a knack for marketing, affiliate marketing might be your gateway to the online business world. How it works: promote products, services on your platform, website, blog, social media. Earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Pros: zero need for inventory or product development. Passive income potential. Multiple affiliate programs available in various niches. Cons: revenue depends on traffic and conversion rates. Building trust with your audience is crucial. Blogging. Turn your passion into profit. Blogging might seem old-fashioned, but it's still a viable online business. It's all about creating valuable content that attracts and retains readers. How it works: start a blog around a topic you're passionate about. Monetize through ads, sponsored posts, affiliate links, or selling digital products. Pros: low startup cost, passive income potential, flexibility in content creation. Cons: can be time-consuming, takes time to build traffic and authority. Digital products, knowledge into cash. Are you skilled or knowledgeable in a particular area? Why not create a digital product? How it works: develop ebooks, courses, apps, or any digital tool resource. Promote and sell on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or your website. Pros: once created, no inventory issues, high profit margins, can be sold repeatedly without additional production cost. Cons: requires significant effort in creation and marketing. Competition can be high. Print on demand, custom designs without the hassle. If you're artistic or have cool design ideas, print on demand can be an appealing business model. How it works: create custom designs, partner with a print-on-demand platform, customers order, and the platform prints and ships the product with your design. Pros: no inventory management, freedom in design creation, no upfront costs for product production. Cons: lower profit margins compared to traditional retail, dependence on the platform for production and shipping. Which one should you choose? The answer to this question depends on your strengths, interests, and resources. If you're looking for minimal startup costs and hands-off operations, dropshipping or affiliate marketing might be best. If content creation appeals to you, consider blogging or digital products. However, no matter which model you opt for, remember these key points. Research. Understand your target market, competition, and industry standards. Consistency. Success rarely comes overnight. Stay consistent in your efforts. Adaptability. The digital landscape is ever evolving. Stay updated and be ready to pivot when necessary. Value proposition. Whether it's unique products, valuable content, or exceptional service, always offer value to your customers. Starting an online business has never been easier, but that doesn't mean it's effortless. While some models might seem more straightforward than others, success in any venture requires dedication, effort, and continuous learning. So choose the business that aligns with your passion and strengths and embark on your entrepreneurial journey today. Whichever online business you choose to embark on, there are a few general strategies you can employ to maximize your chances of success. Leverage social media. Today, almost every online business can benefit from a strong social media presence. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest can be gold mines for traffic, customer engagement, and brand building. Tailor your content strategy to each platform's unique audience and capabilities. For instance, visual products might shine on Instagram, while informative content might gain traction on Facebook. Offer outstanding customer service. Whether you're dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, never underestimate the power of excellent customer service. Quick responses, easy return policies, and going the extra mile to meet customer needs can set your business apart in a crowded online marketplace. Your EMA